Hey Dan,
Hey.
how was it?
It was good. We did good.
Oh yeah, it's sunny. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is my 2004 Toyota Camry LE. This car has over 250,000 miles. And today I'm going to replace the struts. The last time I replaced the struts was in 2014. And I got this email from Maxpeedingrods. They said they're gonna send struts over to me for my car for free as long as I do a video. Let's open it right now. One. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. Ah, right here says front right, front left. Alright, read that if you want. Put that over here. Alright guys, I'm going to give you an incentive to buy this. The link will be in my video description and a coupon code. So the first 5 that lives here in Vegas, I will install it for free. Alright, purchase this online, and when you get it, just contact me. Email, I'll have it in the video description, and I will install it for free. This is from the website. It has a strong stability. The strut assembly uses INEOS damping oil to ensure that the shock absorber can maintain stable function at -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. Also rigorously tested, the dampers have undergone 3 million fatigue endurance tests and have no oil leakage. And the damping force attenuation was attenuation. The reduction of the force effect or value of something. Attenuation rate does not exceed 20%. The spring has been continuously tested for more than 600,000 times of fatigue testing to ensure its high tensile strength. The struts have wide coverage of vehicle models. Hi, Rob. Everything okay? Yeah. Alright, slap it on. Let's do this. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, it looks like it's seeping some fluid. It's about time to change it. Inner CV boot is bad. Dang. Let's go on top. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shoot. It's dropping. Oh. Change the little control arm too. Just help it. Okay, now we're good. Oh yeah. Let's see. 2:14:25. it in your designated hole. Ooh. Where did that go? Alright, got it. Let's tighten the top first. Take that one out. Tight. These are tight. And it looks good. Do the next side. Looks like this has been leaking too, but the fluid has dried up. Oh yes. Yep, it's leaking. Come on, get in there. Yes. Slap on the wheels, test drive. Feels good. The old struts, every time I drive on a bumpy road, it'll make a noise. Brand spanking new. So test drive was good. Installation was just bolted on, no problems there. And I'd like to thank Maxpeedingrods for the struts. And if you guys want to purchase the struts, please go to my video description. There will be a link and a promo code. And as an incentive, if you have the same car here in Vegas and live here, the first 5 that purchase the struts, I will install it for free. I will leave my email in the video description. Just contact me. I will update a year from now how the struts are doing. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace. Cut.